Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about what is Spring MVC. So basically Spring MVC is a web-based framework for doing web application development. It is one of the projects of the Spring framework. As the name suggests that if you go to internet, sorry not MCV, MVC. So take this diagram. So here here it is based on MVC design pattern, so which is a model, view and controller. So how does this work? So if you have a view where the request comes from, so for instance these views are JSP pages. So if you have view where the request comes from, that is going to be intercepted by a component called controller, and the controller is going to do necessary application logic, and then there is a model which will hold the data of all your application flows. This data from the model can then be displayed back as a response to browser, okay, which is the view again. So here views are Java server pages, JSPs, where you are going to have content displayed in the browser. Then you have a models. These which are nothing but domain objects or Java beans, which will hold the data of our application. And then we have controller, which are going to receive our HTTP requests and forward the controller to the next component in line. So, and then why do we have to Spring MVC? Why Spring MVC? So as I said earlier, first of all, Spring MVC, one of the projects of the Spring framework, which means that it will work on basic principles that Spring works on. The most important feature is inversion of control. So inversion of control. So inversion of control, or IOC, which means if you create a controller class in a Spring MVC, then it is going to be created instantiated in a Spring context container, and it will be available for the entire runtime of the application. So all the beans are managed by the Spring context. Okay, this is what the inversion of control. Let's go to the image. So we'll find any. I'm not sure. Okay, take this. So here just creating a controller class. If I create a controller class, and then it's going to be created and instantiated inside the Spring context container, and it will be available for the entire runtime of the application. All the beans are managed by Spring context. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to start the web application using the Spring MVC. I hope you understand. Thank you guys. Bye bye.